chest to another boss with my stubborn persistence. Every sunrise bringing sweat, tears and grease stains. Ghosts of my youth haunt these rusted chains. Fingers worn out from grasping steel and pain. Dreaming of freedom like a kite without a string. The clock keeps ticking but my heart is still ticking too. Each tick a battle cry, each talk a step towards you. I got miles to go before they call it quits. Living on borrowed time and this workman's blitz. Daydreams of hammocks, beaches and endless siestas. Instead I'm bound to this grind with workers' fiestas.